Hello everyone, welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend. Friday, September the 23rd, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles. Yes, as you can see, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. But we have also in this newspaper an additional. Let me show you the additional. An additional, yes, yesterday's newspaper we have no additional, but today we have a one. Yes, 7 extra puzzles. The first one, letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me. Time consuming. Only half of them I will solve. And I need also the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. First one is a letter Sudoku. Let me show you. Well. This letter Sudoku is totally different than the Light Sudoku of last week and the week before. As you can remember, we have 36 printed digits in the Light Sudoku. Well, the publisher has changed the Light Sudoku. Yes, the light puzzle. Yes, we will see. Let me count the boxes, because I can remember we have 9 big squares, and each big square has 4 printed digits. Well, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. Well, the Sudoku Lights in previous versions, previous ones has always 36. Now the publisher has changed to 27. Alright, okay. We will see, but this will be number 5218. Yes, this will be 5218. Alright. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star then. 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about? Well, which number is the best to start? Well. Interesting. We have a 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 in this column should be there. Alright, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 9. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4. Okay, cannot continue with the form. Well. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 is should be there. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. And 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square, it could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 in the middle row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes and there. So here we have 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. Then 2, 1, 2. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. 6. Okay. 2. I'm thinking. Come on. 9. 1, 6. 6. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 5. Come on. Thinking. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 in the 7, 6 in the 7. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 and a 7. 2 and 9. Yes, the 9 in this column, last column. 9 in that column, in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are not used. We have 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and of course the 7. Missing the 7 here. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we can count, and all the 7s are used. I can't see a digit number 1, number 7. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this third row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. Alright. Then. And 5. 8 and 5. Interesting. 5. Yeah. 4. Okay. 6. Well, we need. What are these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, and look, we have 5 and a 6 in the second row, so no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for the number 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left now in the third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see another 5 in the second row. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle column. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright. Then. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Okay. Alright. And now, how about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 1 in the in the second column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 2. Oh wait, let me finish with the 1. The 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 1. 1 box left in this first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 5, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, not faster than 15 minutes. Well. Maybe I talked too long in the beginning. Well, anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the other puzzle, the Sudoku Heavy. How heavy? I do not know this time. Maybe the publisher has changed again the this puzzle. Who knows? We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.